Good morning, children. Moving to the last part of the chapter, acids, bases and salts. Today, we'll discuss about a simple reaction. Take a test tube, fill some vinegar, acetic acid in it. To this solution, if you add soap contains a base. Vinegar contains an acid. Acid reacts with the base. The reaction continues. So we can define this reaction as the process of treating an acid with a base. If you use powerful acids like hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, etc., the reaction is spontaneously completed. Okay, so vinegar, soap, etc., less reactive reagents, so the reaction take place slowly. So what is the product formed? After this reaction, salt and water are the products. So, neutralization is the reaction when an acid combines with a base. And what is the main product of neutralization? Yes, salt. Along with the salt, water also formed. See the equation written. Sodium hydroxide base, NaOH chemical formula, plus hydrochloric acid, HCl chemical formula. What are the products? Sodium chloride, salt, NaCl chemical formula plus H2O water. So NaOH plus HCl, NaCl and H2O are the products. So NaCl is a salt. Okay. The main product of neutralization is a salt. When an acid combines with a base, salt and water are formed. Okay. And this reaction has many applications in our daily life. For example, sometimes we feel indigestion. Means hydrochloric acid is stored in our stomach. Okay. It helps in the digestion of food. But when the amount of hydrochloric acid is increasing, it causes indigestion. We feel pain. To relieve the painful effect, we are asked to intake tablets containing bases. That means magnesium hydroxide, etc. That is, we take an antacid such as milk of magnesia or magnesium hydroxide. To relieve the effect caused by hydrochloric acid, we apply a base. Means acid plus base, neutralization take place and we feel comfortable. So antacid contains a base, magnesium hydroxide. One of the practical application. When we feel indigestion, we take in antacid tablets that contain magnesium hydroxide. First effective. Second effective, when ant bites, normally we have the experience. When an ant bites, it injects formic acid to our body. It causes pain. So to get a relief, we are asked to rub that particular part with baking soda or calamine lotion. Baking soda, calamine lotion, etc. are bases. So acid is injected. This effect gets neutralized by rubbing with bases. Okay. Antibiotic contains formic acid. the effect gets neutralized by rubbing with bases like calamine lotion or baking soda, etc. Okay, second effect. And we will discuss the third effect as, or the third application as, we have the experience of adding manures, fertilizers, etc. in soil. It has a chemistry. What is the chemistry? That is, when the soil is acidic, soil samples when tested, the soil experts can identify whether the soil is acidic or basic. If the soil is acidic, we'll add calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide. Okay, means acid, calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide, basic in nature, acid plus bases, neutralization conducted, the soil becomes neutral, plant grows properly. Okay, and if the soil is basic, we prefer organic matter, manures. Okay, by the addition of manures, the soil becomes neutral. Manures means they contain some organic matter, acidic in nature. So, basic soil plus acidic manure, the effect is neutralization. Neutral soil is fit. Okay, the third effect. And the last effect, some factory waste contain acids. If we throw these waste directly into water sources, rivers, ponds, etc., they may kill the aquatic animals and plants, fishes, etc. So, factory waste have to be neutralized before adding to the water sources. Otherwise, they may kill the aquatic animals and plants. By making the factory waste neutral, we can dispose them into different water sources. Okay, neutralization, 4 important applications in our daily life. The first one, remember, what is the first one? Yes, antibiotic, indigestion, soil treatment, treatment of factory waste. Okay, neutralization, the reaction of an acid with a base. Salt is the main product and it has some important applications in our daily life. So the third chapter neatly completed. Remember, first, second and third chapters means nutrition in plants, heat and acids and bases are included in the PT1 exam. Study very well. Wishing you all the best. Thank you. That's all.